Django is a high-level Python web framework that makes rapid development and clean pragmatic design. Created in 2003 by Adrian and Simon. It is free and open source. Django makes it easy to build web apps more quickly. Django is based on MVT model view template architecture. Model acts as the interface of data. View is the user interface. Template consists of static parts of the HTML output. Now let's talk about key features. Simplicity and speed. Django follows the try, don't repeat yourself principle, allowing developers to reuse code and focus on the unique aspects of their application, so developers can build apps quickly without reinventing the wheel. Scalability. Django is designed to help businesses take their application from concept to completion as quickly as possible. And this includes growing or scaling up. It is versatile and can be scaled to handle heavy traffic loads. Security. Django takes security very seriously and helps developers avoid many common security mistakes such as kickbacking, cross-site scripting, CSRF, SQL injection. For companies handling sensitive data, this gives sense of security. Django offers full support of translating text into different languages, plus specific formatting of dates, time, numbers, and time zone. Caching. Django supports various caching techniques to improve application performance. It integrates popular caching backends such as Redis, excellent documentation, and large active community. Django is renowned for its excellent documentation. It provides a comprehensive set of documentation and tutorials for developers. Django has a strong, supportive community that develops various packages, provides quick help, and constantly works on improving the framework. Top companies using Django framework: Instagram, Spotify, Dropbox, NASA, Bitbucket. These are just few examples. Django is widely adopted across different industries and sectors. Let's have a practical overview how Django works. Create a simple project to showcase some of Django's key features. We will create a basic to-do list application. Here is a step-by-step guide. By giving Django admin start project to-do list command, Django will start a new project for us. Now navigate to the directory. By default, Django provides us few files for a new project. Manage.py. This is command for managing a project. It provides commands for running servers, performing database migrations, creating super users, and other management tasks. urls.py. This file serves as the URL config for our project. It maps URL patterns to views. Settings.py. This file contains the setting of our project. It includes settings such as install tab, middleware setting, template directories, database config, and more. Now let's run the server. PyManage.py run server. It means that Django is installed correctly and development server has started. Now let's create an app task by giving PyManage.py start app task. These files also contain a few different files like views.py, test.py, models.py, and admin.py. Models in Django represent the application data structure and define the database. Here we created a simple task model. Views in Django handle user requests and generate responses. Views are the logic behind processing requests, fetching data from models, and rendering templates. The task function is a view function that takes a request object as parameter. This function retrieves the list of tasks from the database, renders in a task list template. URL routing. Now we need to define URL patterns in urls.py so that Django can easily recognize. Now we need to create a directory inside the task app and a task list.html file for displaying tasks. Template allows us to create dynamic HTML, so this will display our task to the browser. After this, we need to make migration by simply running these two commands: pymanage.py make migrations and pymanage.py migrate. Django provides an automatic admin interface for managing data. So in the admin.py file, by registering, we can access the task model in the admin dashboard. Now I run the server. As you can see here, we just have my task as we have not added task yet. We can add it very easily through Django admin. After adding two tasks, you can see that it is displayed on the web browser. We can change the style, add CSS, and much more. So it is the power of Django. So in a few minutes, we can create a website.